Okay, next question, what will be the output of the following C program? Okay, we'll see in detail what this program does. Okay, so this is our program. So hash English read.h, then there is a macro max with value 40, then program execution starts with main, and then memory will be allocated for str1 which is having this value and str2 which is having this value, then 2 pointers p1 and p2. Okay, so this will be how the memory will be allocated. So since it is having size 40, there will be 40 bytes allocated for str1 and str2. Okay, and this is the value containing inside str1 hello and a null character, then str2 hi and a null character. Okay, there are 2 pointers p1 and p2 and all the addresses are just assumptions. Then we have given p1 is equal to str1, so address of str1 is 300, name of the array is the starting address of the array, so 300 will be stored in p1. Okay, and after that p2 equal to str2 means since str2 is an array, starting address of array str2 will be stored in p2, so 400 will be stored in p2. Okay, then the next statement is while star p2 not equal to null character, so p2 means 400, so value at 400 is h not equal to null character, so what it perform is star p1 plus plus is equal to star p2 plus plus. So first this p1 plus plus is executed, but you all know that post increment means that first it will use p1, then only it will increment. Okay, so what it does is that first it will assign value at the address of p1 is equal to value at the address of p2. That means value at the address of p2 is equal to h, which will be assigned to value at the address of p1, that is value at the address of 300. So the small h will be coming here. Okay, then after that this p1 and p2 will be incremented, thus making p1 as 301 and p2 as 401. Then again value at address p2 will be checked for null character, that is 401, value at 401 is checked and is not null character, so the control will come inside here. Then again value at the address of p1 is equal to value at the address of p2, so value at the address of p2, that is 401 is I, so I will be stored at value at the address of p1, that is 301, thus making the value here as lowercase I. Okay, then after that, since this is a post increment operator, then after using this p1 and p2 will be incremented, thus making p1 as 302 and p2 as 402. Okay, then again the control will be coming here and it will be checking whether the value at the address of p2 not equal to null character. So value at the address of p2, that is 402, is null character, so this condition becomes false and control will come here. Then finally it will print percentages comma str1. So now the str1 is having this content, so if you have a string it will print all characters until it encounters a null character, so it will print HILLO, capital HELLO. Okay, and once it sees the null character it will finish printing that. Okay, so the output is HILLO HELLO. Okay, so our output is HILLO then capital HELLO. Okay.